Let me show you how you can make one of Ali Abdaal's very famous transition, which is the paper fold effect. Let's get into it. Alright, so what you need to do next is to open up Capcut. Now that open up Capcut, you add a new project, click on import, you drag in all the files for your project. The link to all the files are going to be in the description in a Google Drive. Click on the link and download the project. So firstly, we're going to be adding this black background here, and we're also adding the paper transition effects. We'll reduce this part, and we're also dragging the clip that we're going to be animating today. Then you come over, you click on ratio, you reduce the size of the frame to square, and you also increase the background, the paper transition on the background. Behind it, we have to remove the green screen. So you click on cutout, click on Chrome key, click on this pen tool, and click on this green. You drag this all over to the end, and as you can see, we'll remove the green screen. For the image, you're going to come over to basic, scroll down, click on the blend, change the blend mode to overlay. And as you can see, you're almost getting our paper fold effects already. So we just need to add a couple more things. First is you go click on the paper transition, go over to adjustment, scroll down, reduce the brightness to -30, around that amount, then increase the contrast to about 20. Then come here, click on the effects, scroll down, click on cartoon, and look for B and W comic tool. Drag it and put it on the clock here, or whatever image you want to be animated. So if you click on it, this is what it looks like. Alright, if you want to add this animation to any other project file, all you need to do is just create a compound clip, right click, create a compound clip, and export this file. Export it to wherever you want your system or your PC. Click on media, import that file back. You drag it here, then you drag over this green screen here. And all you need to do is what? Come to adjustment, scroll down, increase the brightness to about 20. Then go back to video, cutout, scroll down, click on auto cutout to remove this green screen behind. As you can see, the green screen has been added. You can zoom it in. Yeah, that's it, has been added. So that's it with the paper transition effect. And if you found any value in this video, click on the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.